What's up, guys? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm probably going to be one of the last 70-degree days we'll have in Michigan for the rest of this year. But my carburetor rebuild kit and my engine gasket kit for the 84 got delayed until Monday. So unfortunately I won't be doing anything on this thing this weekend, which is unfortunate because I'm a little bit slammed over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, oh well. So I'm going to be taking Spud out today to a junkyard that's about 45 minutes north of me. They've got two Tercel wagons and a hatchback. One is a front-wheel drive 5-speed and one is a front-wheel drive automatic. But they got a bunch of different interior parts and a bunch of other odds and ends and random pieces that I need, my buddy Alex needs, and some people on the forum and page need. So I'm going to take Spud out to that junkyard and yank some parts off. This will be the first drive since I did a wheel bearing on this thing. I've noticed a lot of just small clunks that have been coming out for a while, and I jacked the left front tire up and there was a ton of play. The driver said wheel bearing, I'm amazed it didn't fall apart because it was like missing half the rollers. Blech. So tighten that up, tighten the four-wheel drive shift linkage up, and a couple other little things that I found. So yeah, let's get rolling out to the junkyard. Stay tuned. We made it to the junkyard. Got a lot of old cars double stacked and triple stacked and even then some. So we'll make our way over to the Tercels and start yanking some parts off. Toyota. Doesn't look like it's a Century. Centuries are only Japanese editions. This is left-hand drive. It's very Japanese though. Toyota this is, but it's beautiful. If you know what Toyota this is, drop a comment because I'm curious. She's beautiful. Are some Tercels. And a hatch. Hatch has seen better days, but they've all seen better days. If I can find anything of these, so. All right, well, we've been out here for like an hour, maybe a little more, I don't know. Got a couple of parts pulled off, a distributor. I need that because I busted that on my 84. Bunch of interior parts that's gonna go in my 86. Alex just got a bunch of parts floating around over here for his 83 that he's gonna be doing a restoration on. It's got a carpet and all kinds of stuff over here. So grill, speaker shelves, piles of cool stuff. So whew, I'm out of breath. So yeah, let's keep rolling. All right, we are officially back from the junkyard now. We got some black carpeting, a parcel shelf. This stuff is gonna go in one of Alex's cars over there. Got some speaker panels and a couple other random little interior trim pieces. I got all the door panels. These door panels are in not bad shape at all. I got a bunch of the window trim and a bunch of other little odds and ends and interior stuff. That's all gonna go in the 86 car that I'm gonna be working on this winter that hopefully I can get a ton of cool videos out of. But yeah, I got some other stuff for some other people. I got a distributor and a rearview mirror and some handles and just a bunch of door handles and a bunch of other random odds and ends for some other people. So pretty excited to get all this stuff wrapped up and put to use. And yeah, that's it. Today I'm gonna be pulling all the shit out of this car and put it in this car. And that way I can get this car out of here, and it's a whole mess of contraptions and concoctions and stuff like that. But Alex bought this car for me and he is going to do a bunch of stuff to it. But for right now, I need to get all of my belongings out so he can put his interior inside of it and we can do all the other stuff that is on the to-do list, which is about everything. So yeah, I'm going to find my keys, inevitably, one year. And then, yeah, I'm gonna start pulling all this shit out of here and get everything emptied out. Because there is stuff everywhere. I need more storage and a bigger garage. Hey, look, a girl from Tony. Tony is the 86 car that I pulled out of the yard. That lady's yard out in the woods and parted out. So, sweet. I guess I'll keep rolling and get cleaning. Well, that didn't take that long. Everything out but the seats right now, and everything else is pretty much going with it. I got a couple of training parts to get out of here yet, but that's later on down the road. So yeah, I gotta yank these seats out of here, and then she is ready to be load it up with other stuff. I think Alex is going to want to clean it out because he's going to put that interior we got from Seth out in Pennsylvania in this car. Alrighty, well, we got everything that was from the junkyard today and everything that's out of the 83 car that Alex purchased from me in the garage. I got piles of old ripped up seats that I'm going to see about maybe getting reupholstered by somebody. Alex knows a guy that does reupholstery work, so these are the door panels that are out of that tan car from the junkyard. I think they'll clean up pretty nice. So these are going to go in the 86 because the ones in the 86 right now are SR51, so they're a little bit different, but these are super clean and there's literally no way I'm going to find door panels that look this nice, at least in my area. So yeah, gonna probably pull that car here in the garage here in a couple of weeks. That engine right here on this stand is going to come apart. This is the new thing I got from the junkyard today, but that engine's gonna come apart and I'm gonna see how she looks on the inside and hope she's okay. It is a junkyard engine, but yeah, we'll go through that, and then if that engine's junk, I'm gonna put it back into probably put it halfway back together and slap it to the side, and then I got another engine that I bought from somebody that I'm gonna tear apart as well, and look at that. So yeah, this little corner is kind of becoming the Tercel parts corner. I think I'm gonna have to get this out of here and this stuff out of here to make more shelving room and stuff like that because it's kind of piling up. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you later.